Hi guys, today we are mounting these red aluminum pedals on mountain bike. This pedals has larger surface than serial one. It has 3 sealed bearings. They operate very smoothly, they rotate effortlessly. Pedals are ultra light and they have aluminum body with metal cleats for grip. Pedals look so great on a bike. They are very beautiful in this red color. Now let's change the old ones.